Hello. So I just recently learned something that I was unaware of. I've been using these Teensies for so long that I've been using the Teensy loader. I hadn't realized that the software was sort of pirating the Blink program. And it was pointed out to me recently by a colleague that my Blink looks different than yours unless you've been using the Teensy for some period of time. So we're going to create a copy of Blink that we can refer to, and it'll look like the ones that I've been doing in the video, and then I won't have to change my videos going forward. Maybe at some point I will, but I'm going to hold on to those old videos, and then moving forward I'll always use the stock copy of Blink that comes with a new version of Arduino. So anyway, let's look at it. We're going to make a couple real quick changes, and we're just going to save it as myBlink. I'm going to open up the file examples basics blank. So this is the Blink that you guys get if you don't have a Teensy installed, or the Teensy loader installed. And it's a little different than the one you might have seen in my other videos, because the other ones, in my videos, I have a global here that declares the pin 13 instead of this blue LED built in. Okay, so we're going to do is we're going to create this. We're going to have one that we can refer to for a bit and pull up when we want to be able to use it. I'm going to save as. I'm actually going to leave it in my Arduino directory because I'm going to I could replace the existing Blink, but I think I'm just going to have it right there in that root directory and know that this is my new staple for Blink. So I'm going to call it myBlink, like so. And I'm going to go ahead and add that global. Put a comment in there. It was an integer, and I'm just going to call it LED. I'll even use the capital equals 13 because it's on pin 13. Okay, so that's the one that has the built-in LED. And then I'm simply going to take this right here and I'm going to delete all of that. So now pin 13 is declared as the pin with the LED. I've created a variable called LED, and my pin mode LED is set to output. Then we have to change these and these. Okay? And then that should take care of it. So I'll go ahead and verify, make sure I didn't do something stupid or silly. Maybe I'll pause. This is the first time this is run. Hold on. Okay, it verified fine. I'm going to go ahead and upload. And hopefully we'll get a little spurious communication showing up on transmit and receive, TX and RX. And then we'll see this light blink at a 1 second interval. And there we go. Okay, so moving forward, anytime that you see my video, at least for the immediate future, anytime that I ask you to pull up Blink, go ahead and pull up myBlink, and then it'll look the same or essentially be the same, and we'll be able to work together. And I promise moving forward beyond this, I will just use this copy of Blink, I'm sorry, the original copy of Blink, the one that's installed, and everybody should be working on the same page. So I will see you again soon.